everyone, I'm Parveen and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm tackling a big question that's been floating around in tech and analytics. Is data science over? If you've been wondering about where this field is going, stick with me. I've got 3 reasons about why the industry is shifting and 1 prediction about where it might be headed next. In an article back from 2023, InterviewCareer.com found that looking at job posting data over the last 18 months, comparing October 2021 and October 2022, they saw a 26% drop year over year in the number of opening job postings for data scientists. Similarly, they found that the number of postings for other professionals like data engineers and data analysts continued to rise. First up, automation is obviously changing the game. Companies used to rely on highly specialized data scientists to build complex machine learning models from scratch. But with advancements in automation tools and even on the built-in cloud data services tools, a lot of this manual heavy lifting is just not necessary anymore. This means that tasks like predictive modeling and basic analytics can now be handled by other professionals in the field, like business analysts or even non-technical folks with the right tools, just not necessarily data scientists. Secondly, companies are looking to generalize rather than looking for specialists. Instead of hiring someone solely to do data sciences, businesses are gravitating towards hiring data engineers, product analysts, or analytics managers who can help handle a broad range of responsibilities, including some aspects of data science. Think about it like this. Why hire a niche data scientist when you can have someone who builds the data pipeline and delivers on those actionable insights? You can really think about it as maximizing your return on an individual employee. Finally, there's a strong focus on business value and actionable insights, rather than sophisticated models. Companies have finally realized that building the most advanced model isn't always what is going to drive that competitive advantage or the profit and revenue-driven way that they want to be. Decision makers care about clear, impactful insights that directly solve their business problems. So roles that can blend this storytelling and technical acumen, like let's call them analytics translators, that's really what's becoming most valuable. So what's next? I predict that these analytics translators, that's really what's going to be growing fastest in the industry. Being able to bridge data by data storytelling into real-world impact. These are professionals who are able to bridge that gap between the technical teams and the business leaders. They're going to be able to take those technical insights and translate them into actionable business strategies. In fact, you've probably seen, and I'm definitely already seeing, these jobs listings, the roles like analytics product managers or insights managers. So is data science over? Not exactly, but it's definitely evolving. If you're currently a data professional or an aspiring data professional, my advice is to focus on developing those strong technical communication skills, understanding business strategy, and being able to be adaptable to new tools and technologies. Frankly, anyone can learn the technical skill sets of a data scientist, but it's these communication skills that are going to set you apart. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is data science here to stay, or is it on its way out? Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.